Wonderland swing. It's choreographed by Michele Perron. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, improver low intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 1. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and the ending, and then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Wonderland swing. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right. You're now going to quickly step your right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. Quickly step your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. You're now going to step down onto your right foot, touch your left toe forward with a slightly bent knee, and hold. You're now going to step your left next to your right and touch your right toe forward and hold. Let's try it with some counts. Stepping your right foot to the side. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8. Section 2, you're going to step your right foot slightly back and next to your left, and then step forward with your left foot. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to do a left triple back, step back, left, right together, left, back. We're now going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, and do 2 walks forward, walk right, left. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just touched our right toe forward. You're going to quickly step that right next to your left and walk. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a coaster forward. So we're going to step our right foot forward, step your left foot next to your right, then step your right foot back. You're now going to step back with your left foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. And we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right to the side, left over right. We're going to end with a kickball cross that's going to put you slightly into the diagonal. You're going to kick your right foot into the right diagonal, step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, you're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your forward coaster. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock our right foot forward into the right diagonal, recover onto your left, and we're going to weave right behind left side, right cross. We're now going to rock our left foot forward into the left diagonal, recover onto your right, and you're going to weave left behind right side, left cross. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just crossed our left over our right from our kickball cross. You're going to rock into the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the end of the dance, and then you would start all over with your side step. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping your right foot to the side. Side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, forward, hold, step, touch, forward, hold, step, forward. Half back, triple back, rock back, recover, walk, walk, forward coaster, step, back quarter side, crossing shuffle, kickball, cross diagonal rock, recover, behind side, cross diagonal rock, recover, behind side, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's it. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen 1 time and 1 time only. It will be the end of wall 1. So you'll do our first wall, end facing 9 o'clock with your weave. Our tag happens by stepping our right foot to the side and touching, and then stepping our left foot to the side and touching. So you're going to step right, touch, left, step, left, touch, right, side to side, and that is the tag. So let's try it with some counts. Stepping to the side, 1 touch, 2, 3 touch, 4, and then you would start the dance all over again with your side, behind, and your touches. Now the ending, your last wall will be your 12 o'clock facing wall. you're going to dance up to the part where we would have done our forward coaster, back, quarter, crossing shuffle. The crossing shuffle is the last true step of the dance that you will do. So let's dance up to that part and then we'll talk about the ending. Stepping to the side, you're going side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, hold, step, touch, hold, ball, walk, half back, shuffle, back, rock, back, recover, walk, walk, forward, coaster, step, back, quarter, crossing shuffle. Wait right here. Now, to end the dance, you want to end facing 12 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you press your right toe forward. And then you can pose however you would like. I sometimes stick my hands out, put them on my hips. You could lean forward, whatever you would like to do as your pose. And that's how you would end the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the tag as well as how the dance flows. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight's going to start on your left foot. We're stepping our right foot to the side. Side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, and hold, step, touch, and hold. Ball, walk, half back, triple back, rock back, recover, walk, walk, forward, coaster, step, back, quarter side, crossing shuffle, kick, ball, cross, diagonal, rock, recover, weave, behind, side, cross, diagonal, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, do your tag, step, touch, step, side, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, hold, step, touch, hold, ball, walk, half back, triple back, rock back, recover, walk, walk, forward, coaster, step, back, quarter, crossing shuffle, kick, ball, cross, diagonal, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, diagonal, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, step, side, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. After that one tag, you don't have to worry about anything extra in the dance until the ending on the last wall. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can scroll to the end of the video and practice with the rear-facing demo so that you can go out and rock this on the holiday dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Wonderland Swing. If you have any questions, let me know.